Hi, it's Paul from Roberts Designs, and today I'm going to talk to you about the unbelievably reliable Italian-made wet saw range from Ghelfi. Made from a lightweight yet tough aluminium chassis, available in 4 sizes. All of this makes it the lightest in its class, enabling a one-person lift. To help with manoeuvrability, all the Ghelfi Squalo models have these retractable legs and built-in fall protection devices. All of the machines are plunge cut and miter cut capable with powerful 2 horsepower and 3 horsepower motors that help it cut through the toughest material like butter. With stainless steel head rails and running bearings with a removable drain plug, and one of my most favourite features of these machines is the magnetic induction pump with no exposed impellers, meaning you can kiss goodbye to these pumps ever clogging or failing ever again. They're also incredibly safe with a built-in safety switch to protect you against power surges, and also its uniquely designed snake that keeps all the important stuff away from the cutting area. The Ghelfi Squalo models also come with an optional side table. And all of this is backed up with an unbelievable 5-year warranty, which makes Ghelfi the only choice when it comes to your next wet saw purchase. Visit robertsdesigns.com.au for more information, or call us on 1300 157 207 to organise a demonstration.